Hello guys, welcome to my new another video. Today's video contains top 5 kitchen gadget everyday use that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. And subscribe now please. So let's start the video. Number 5. The Silicone Faucet Handle Drip Catcher. Tray Mat by BFONS is a practical and stylish solution for any kitchen or dining area. With a rectangular shape measuring 14.25 or 535 inches, it effectively catches water drips, keeping your countertop clean and dry. The mat's solid gray design not only adds a modern touch but is also versatile enough to blend with various kitchen decors. User care and maintenance are straightforward, as the mat is hand wash only but also dishwasher safe, making it easy to keep it looking fresh. Weighing only 0.31 ounces, it is lightweight and can be easily moved or repositioned as needed. Additionally, its dimensions allow it to fit comfortably under most faucets without taking up excessive space. With an impressive customer rating.
Number 4, the Garlic Press Rocker Set Bottle Opener. Heavy-duty stainless steel garlic mincer crusher presents an intriguing option for both home cooks and culinary enthusiasts. Measuring 4.75. 2.1 inches and weighing a mere 5.6 ounces, this product combines functionality with a sleek design, making it an ideal addition to any kitchen. One of the standout features of this garlic press is its heavy-duty stainless steel construction. This material not only promises durability but also ensures that the press will withstand the rigors of frequent use without showing signs of wear. The ergonomic design allows for a comfortable grip, making the mincing process efficient and effortless. Users will appreciate the fact that it can handle multiple garlic cloves at once, simplifying the preparation of their favorite recipes. Customer ratings indicate a solid average of 3.8 out of 5 stars, with over 180 reviews reflecting a mix of satisfaction and areas for improvement. While many users praise.
Number 3. The Zule Kitchen Premium Garlic Press Set stands out as a remarkable tool for any culinary enthusiast or home cook looking to elevate their kitchen experience. Crafted from a durable zinc alloy with nickel plating, this garlic press is designed not only for functionality but also for longevity. The sleek silver finish adds a modern aesthetic that will complement any kitchen decor. At 6.7 inches long and weighing in at a manageable 8.4 ounces, this garlic press is exceptionally lightweight and ergonomically designed, featuring a comfortable rubber handle that provides a secure grip even during prolonged use. This thoughtful design minimizes hand strain, making it an ideal choice for users of all ages. Ease of cleaning is a critical factor for any kitchen tool, and Zule Kitchen has ensured that this garlic press is dishwasher safe. This means after you've crushed those aromatic cloves, you can simply toss it in the dishwasher and be ready for your next culinary.
Number 2. The Javar Onion Holder for Slicing stands out as a robust and efficient kitchen tool designed for anyone who frequently prepares onions, vegetables, or fruits. At a compact size of 3.7 inches in length and a mere 0.6 inches in width, this stainless steel holder is both practical and easy to use. Its lightweight design, weighing only 2.82 ounces, adds to its convenience, making it a welcome addition to any kitchen. With a sleek silver finish, the onion holder not only serves its functional purpose but also adds a touch of modernity to your kitchen arsenal. The round stainless steel blade is specifically crafted for slicing, ensuring you achieve uniform slices with minimal effort. Whether you're preparing ingredients for a salad, soup, or a gourmet dish, this tool promises to enhance your culinary experience. What sets this product apart is its versatility. Beyond just slicing onions, it can be effectively used for various fruits and vegetables, making it a truly multi-purpose.
Number 1. The Ecolution patented Micro Pop Microwave Popcorn Popper with temperature-safe glass is a remarkable kitchen accessory that elevates the popcorn-making experience while promoting healthy snacking. Constructed from high-quality borosilicate glass, this popper is not only durable but also designed to withstand high temperatures, ensuring safe use in your microwave. With a capacity of 3 quarts, the Ecolution popper is perfect for family movie nights or gatherings. Its clever design allows for even popping without the need for added oils or fats, making it a healthier alternative to traditional microwave popcorn bags. The included 3-in-1 lid enhances the versatility of the product, allowing for easy storage and serving. Whether you're hosting a party or enjoying a quiet evening, this popper accommodates various needs and preferences. Measuring 9.88 inches in length, 7.69 inches in width, and 6.5 inches in height, the Ecolution popper is compact enough to fit comfortably in most.